Welcome to Tech Leveler, where I'm going to show you how to increase the maximum volume on your iPhone. Now this process is pretty straightforward, but the first option is to actually use the volume button on the side of your iPhone and press the volume all the way up to the maximum. But sometimes this maximum volume doesn't sound loud enough. And there's a few ways how we can fix that. So let's head over to the iPhone settings here. Now we're on the iPhone settings. You want to swipe right round until we get to the music. And let's go into the music section. Then we want to swipe down slightly and come to this EQ section here. And you can see it's currently off. You want to tap into this and you'll see a load of different options within the EQ section. And in most cases, it will always be turned off. And what this section does, it actually enhances your sound. It doesn't actually make it louder, but because it's enhanced, it does give a better sound quality and makes it feel louder. Now, all my research that I've found says that late night is the best one to try. And when I've tried it, all my sounds do sound louder. So when you select any of these selections, so in our case late night, the EQ on your iPhone will change. And now it'll edit and make the sound quality sound much better and also much louder. Now once we have this enabled, you can go and watch YouTube videos or listen to your favourite music, and hopefully it'll sound a lot louder than it previously did. Give it a try and let us know in the comments below if you found a better EQ than this one. And don't forget, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.